Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 9th, 2025, and we're diving into Korn Ferry's second quarter fiscal 2026 earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Korn Ferry, a global consulting firm, has just released their Q2 FY2026 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic insights.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Korn Ferry reported a fee revenue of $721.7 million for Q2 FY2026, marking a 7% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth in fee revenue is primarily driven by strong performances in their executive search and professional search and interim segments, which saw increases of 10% and 17% respectively. This indicates a robust demand for Korn Ferry's services across various sectors.
And how about profitability?
Net income rose to $72.4 million, a 19% increase from the previous year, with a margin improvement of 100 basis points to 10%. Adjusted EBITDA also saw a 7% increase, maintaining a solid margin of 17.3%, reflecting efficient cost management despite increased compensation and benefits expenses.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Now let's talk about earnings per share. Korn Ferry reported an adjusted diluted EPS of 33 cents, which is above the forecasted $1.29 by analysts. John, what does this tell us?
This beat on EPS indicates that Korn Ferry is not only growing its revenue, but also managing its costs effectively, leading to better-than-expected profitability. The fact that they exceeded analyst expectations, even with only 2 analysts covering, is a positive signal to the market.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Looking ahead, Korn Ferry has provided guidance for the next quarter. What are the highlights, John?
For Q3 FY2026, Korn Ferry expects fee revenue between $680 million and $694 million, and adjusted EPS in the range of $1.19 to $1.25. This guidance reflects their confidence in continued demand for their services and their ability to maintain operational efficiencies.
And what about their strategic positioning?
With estimated remaining fees under existing contracts up 20% year over year to $1.842 billion, Korn Ferry is well positioned to capitalize on future opportunities. Their focus on synchronizing strategy, operations, and talent is clearly paying off.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. CEO Gary D. Burnison made some interesting comments about the company's strategic direction. Can you elaborate on that?
Absolutely. CEO Gary D. Burnison emphasized the importance of adapting, aligning, and acting in a world defined by disruption and digitization. Korn Ferry's focus on their Marquee and Diamond accounts has been a key driver of their accelerated growth, as these accounts represent significant opportunities for strategic partnerships.
It sounds like Korn Ferry is positioning itself as a leader in navigating complex business environments.
Indeed, by unlocking potential in people and organizations, Korn Ferry is not just reacting to changes, but actively shaping the future landscape of consulting.
Key takeaways. In summary, Korn Ferry has delivered a strong performance in Q2 FY2026 with impressive revenue growth and profitability. Their strategic initiatives and future guidance suggest continued momentum. John, any final thoughts?
Korn Ferry's ability to exceed expectations and their strategic focus on high-value accounts position them well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their execution in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Korn Ferry's performance in the comments below.